Custom your WhatsApp automation with trafficinspire Golden Plan. What are the advantages of using Pabbly Connect? Powerful software tools to help you run your business. Access to essential business applications such as form development, email marketing, billing, automation, and much more in one platform. All the integrations can be automated using one platform. Pabbly Connect allows you to build automated workflows and transfer the data between your favorite apps and services without the need for manual intervention. Connect the apps you use daily. 1. Begin workflows from any app. Choose a trigger that sets your Pabbly Connect into motion. 2. Automate the completion of routine tasks. Pabbly Connect completes actions. 3. Setup fill in the blank is straightforward. The point, click and automate. In minutes, you can go from idea to workflow. What is the WA API? Send WhatsApp messages using API easily, quickly and automatically. Feature: instant notification. WhatsApp message is sent directly to the receiver or prospect in less than 2 seconds. Cost effective. Our pricing is economical and suitable for all business sizes. Zero code option. You don't need to be good at programming or coding to use the WA API. Works 24/7. The WA API system operates on servers 24 hours, 7 days a week, all year round. Many integrations available. WA API can be used with various platforms such as WooCommerce, Pabbly, Integromat, ConnectSite, Google Forms, Botbaba, etc. Send text messages of any length. Send PNG and JPG images. Send MP4 videos. Send MP3 audios. Send PDF files. Generate and send dynamic files via Pabbly. Bulk messages. What exactly is the Botbaba? Find what having a WhatsApp chat bot means for your company. Increased ad ROI. Boost brand loyalty. Pre-qualify leads. Improved customer satisfaction. Availability is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The following industries will benefit from its use: resort and hotel booking, beauty salon, WhatsApp Ecom, ethnic wear, wine shop, Liberty footwear, hotel, jewelry shop, restaurant, green grocer, bakery, grocery store, job portal, tour planner, bot for a blog website, IoT, Internet of Things, bot, real estate investor, law firm bot, legal advisor, mortgage bot, legal technology bot, legal process bot, motor insurance, insurance, coaching classes. Why is trafficinspire Golden Plan so crucial to your business? We are the digital agency that combines the Pabbly Connect, WA API, Botbaba 3 strengths. We provide affordable LTD for WA API Instance and Botbaba. We also offer a special price for Pabbly Connect. It is the most potent golden combination to customize your WhatsApp automation, maximum your idea to the custom unlimited combination of automation. You can find our YouTube description to get more information. And any question could use our live chat on trafficinspire.com. Don't miss this great opportunity.